Strike them. Strike. Strike them. This is not allowed. Strike forbidden knowledge. They must bend the knee. Strike them. Strike them. Strike them. Strike them. Strike. Strike them.
There are systems in the body as a result of these. You can actually see them forming into structures, nanostructures, and they contain something called is a substance which is basically a superconductor of electricity and amplifies electromagnetic fields in the body. So if you have in the body and you come into contact with electromagnetic fields, then the impact, and of course we're surrounded by technologically generated electromagnetic fields now, the impact is amplified. And the brain, of course, processes information and communicates with the rest of the body and vice versa electrically. So anything that messes with that system is going to mess with us. It's going to mess with not just, it's going to mess. The brain is not going to be processing information like it was before. Right across the millennium. And things like and these techniques where they were literally turning people into robots in the sense of so controlling their minds that they were doing whatever their programmed mind was telling them to do. And that was just a precursor to the mass AI situation that we are seeing now.
Boxes, I cannot fit in the boxes. Stop it. Quitting was never an option. Exhausted. This passion is never exhausted. And you cannot stop it. Nah, you cannot stop it. Quitting was never an option.